You guys, I'm just keeping things really simple this season. This is just a candle that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I just stuck one of the Dollar Tree little succulents on top of there. Another one of those Owl Family sets right here. Top of my fridge, I have put some flowers up there. And our refrigerator, my kids made these for me. They're just Bath and Body Works tops, and we did a little craft together and stuck some leaves on there and just some little squiggly circles, and they made me little pumpkins.